Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about carrot juice, its benefits, nutrition, and how to drink it safely. Let's get started. Trying to eat more veggies but getting bored with salads? A small glass of carrot juice can feel like an easy win, especially on busy mornings or days when cooking sounds like too much. Carrot juice is simply the liquid from fresh pressed carrots, often made at home with a juicer, or a bottled version from the store. Some bottles are 100% carrot, others are blends with fruit, ginger, or other veggies. It's a nutrient-rich drink, but it's not a cure-all. This guide covers what's actually in carrot juice, which benefits are realistic, how to drink it in a way that feels good, and what safety notes matter most for certain people. What's in carrot juice, and what benefits does the science support? Carrots are known for their bright orange color, which hints at the plant compounds inside. When you juice carrots, you concentrate many vitamins and antioxidants into a small serving. That's the main upside. The main trade-off is that juicing removes most fiber, which changes how filling it is and how quickly your body absorbs the natural sugars. Carrot juice can be a helpful bridge food. If you're not eating many vegetables, drinking some can raise your intake of key nutrients without much effort. But if you already eat a balanced diet, it's more of a nice add-on than a must-have. Another important detail is that not all carrot juice is the same. Fresh juice usually tastes brighter, while bottled juice is often pasteurized for safety and shelf life. Both can fit into a healthy routine, but nutrition and flavor can vary by brand, how it's processed, and whether it's mixed with other ingredients. Key nutrients in a glass: beta-carotene, vitamin A, potassium, antioxidants. Carrot juice is best known for beta-carotene, a pigment your body can convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A supports normal vision, including the ability to see in low light, and it also plays a role in immune function and skin health. You don't feel vitamin A working right away, but steady intake over time supports the basics your body relies on. You'll also get potassium, a mineral involved in muscle function and fluid balance. Many people don't get enough potassium from food, and drinks made from fruits and vegetables can help close that gap. Potassium is often discussed for its connection to healthy blood pressure, especially as part of an overall diet that includes plenty of produce. Carrot juice also contains antioxidants, including carotenoids and other plant compounds. Antioxidants help protect cells from normal wear and tear. That doesn't mean carrot juice blocks aging or prevents every illness. It just means it contributes to a diet pattern that supports long-term health. Keep in mind, the exact nutrient profile depends on the carrots used, how long the juice sits, and whether it's fresh or pasteurized. Blends can add more vitamin C or other compounds, but they can also add more sugar if fruit juice is the main mixer. That wraps up part 1 of our video. In the next part, we'll discuss safety tips, side effects, and who should be extra careful. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.